around today, I came across some dirt. I know it sounds crazy, but check this out. I came across some dirt, so brought some dirt home. I need some dirt to fill in this area over here. I've got some serious low spots through here. Really before the dirt, I need to take time and shovel out all this rock. But I got a super low spot and big issues over there that I need to fill in. Probably try to dump it right here. So let's do that. See how heavy that is? This rut that it created right there, pretty freaking heavy. So I'd say that's probably about where I want to put it. Actually, I want to go back just a little bit more. Oh yeah! Sweet, I don't have to dig that up. So back just a little bit more, and then I am almost certain that we're gonna have an issue trying to get this thing to lift because the pump isn't strong enough to drive the ram to lift it. So let's see what we can do. Free dirt. I'm almost certain that this is not gonna lift. That is a lot of weight and it's not gonna be able to lift it, so I probably will end up shoveling a bunch of it to get it out. So I can't believe it's gonna work. So I don't want too much getting on the lawn. I do have to feather it out a little bit. This is freaking sweet. Maybe up just a little bit more and then pull forward a little bit. Pretty freaking sweet. So let's pull forward and see what happens. Lift it all the way up and see what we can get out of there. Oh man, that is so awesome. Oh, what a beaut. Oh man, how freaking cool is that? Oh, so awesome. Oh man, that is so freaking awesome. So there it is. Now I've got a little bit of soil to work with. So there it is, guys. Got my dirt. Feels good. Feels real good. Holy awesome, guys. So I've got a little bit of dirt here, a little bit of dirt over there. Next thing would be to get all this rock out of here as much as I can. Don't want that in. Dig this out just a little bit. Dig that side out. I can finally fill up that hole all the way around with some of this topsoil. I guess if you want to call it topsoil. It's not fantastic. It's full of rocks, but can't complain because it was a super price, huh? So this thing came. Look at that. Look at that. This is a set. Do not separate, it says. Look at that. Mr. Ryan Knorr himself. I've got the box. The Ryan Knorr lawn care. Yay! Yay, Ryan, yay! Whatever, guys. So that's gonna go down sometime. Got the sprinklers going. I'm at the end of my season. I don't think there's gonna be a bunch more mowing going on, but at least I can work on this, you know what I mean? That's it for this video. I might need to get some more soil somewhere. Hopefully maybe I can get some more soil from the same source. I don't know how much more I'm gonna need, but I know for sure I need a lot there, and yeah, I'm gonna need some more for sure. That'll do it for this episode, or whatever you want to call it. Need to clear out the rocks right there and spread the soil out, kind of clean this up. I don't know, I need my tiller to work so I can kind of get the high spots, get those worked down. Get these rocks out of here, start spreading the soil out. It's gonna turn into something nice someday, huh? So appreciate you guys. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.